Everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classdata.co where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is option explain how to use the formulary to look up limitations and the exclusions. Stop therapy quantity limit option B confirm coverage of the beneficiary grant and or anticipated prescriptions option C explain formally tries as well as drug accompanied amount option D for drugs are not covered by the new plans explain the transactions fill program and how to request a coverage exceptions. The correct answer of the question is option A explains how to use the formula really to look and the limitations and the solutions step therapy quantity limits option B confirm average of the beneficiary current and or anticipated prescriptions option C explain formally tries edible drug compared the amount of option D for drugs that are not covered by the new plan explain the transaction fill programs and how to request a coverage exceptions. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask there and our sessions on the right side of the website, fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.